Meet the cicada, also known as the tangerette or carrying in some countries. These aren't your average bugs. Some male cicadas can produce sounds over 100 decibels. That's as loud as a motorcycle engine. And guess what? Only the males sing to impress the females. But here's the real surprise. Certain cicada species spend 13 to 17 years underground as nymphs, quietly feeding on tree roots. No light, no sound, just waiting. Then suddenly, millions of them emerge together, shed their skins, and it's time to party. They sing, mate, and lay eggs all in just a few weeks above ground. And then, they die. The next generation drops to the earth and disappears again for over a decade. Cicadas, the most patient insects in the world, but when they show up, they make sure everyone hears them.